How to dropship from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be discussing how you can import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, find amazing products that are going to be the best for your Shopify store, get the best prices and the best delivery times. So let's get into it. Now, you guys can see that it can be a really difficult thing to do when you are looking for products on AliExpress and you want to receive your products. You want to add these really cheap products that you can find on AliExpress, but all of a sudden you realize that you can't directly import these. Well, you actually can, and I'll show you guys how. So first off, you might be browsing AliExpress directly. However, this is one issue you have to deal with, is that you can't directly import these products, and you will also see a few good reasons as to why. First off, you will see the delivery times of these products. So this product is going to be delivered within 20 to 26 days. That is too long for product delivery, and we know that customers don't want to wait that long. So how can we find these amazing cheap products with a lower delivery time of maybe 2 weeks, which is usually considered pretty reasonable for dropshipped products? Now, to do that, you can head on over to your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left, click on Apps and Sales Channels, and open up your Shopify App Store. Once you open up your Shopify App Store, you can use an application like CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, Xpocket, or a new application, which is an AI-based application called Zopi. Zopi is made specifically so you can actually dropship products from AliExpress, Temu, Burlove, Deezer, Zendrop, and all of these other platforms. You guys can see this is an automated dropshipping tutorial, and you can find potential with these large bulk importing platforms, and you will see that you can get started with product imports, and for free you can fulfill on AliExpress, see product price exchanges, and find better suppliers. So you're going to click on install. Now, Zopi is a newer application, so if you're looking for something that is going to be a bit more trusted, and that is something that has been around for a while, I like to use CJ Dropshipping. Personally, I have used it in the past, and I have found that it's pretty effective in finding best prices and low delivery times. Plus, if you are looking for another alternate other than Zopi, you can also go with Deezers. Now, Deezers is really good for AliExpress dropshipping. However, keep in mind that with Deezers, you have 3 orders you can add. However, you have no track syncing to PayPal, plus automated tracking is usually not available. Now, we have installed Zopi, and we will choose the free plan on Zopi, and from here we can get started with importing products to AliExpress. So you will see on the top you have search products on AliExpress, and you can start importing products. So you can click on import product, and this will show you all of the products that are displayed on AliExpress. Now, if you're looking for a specific product, you can go on ahead and add product filters, as well as find trending products, fastest delivery, or best-selling products. Now, what happens if I, really like one product on AliExpress? Let's say I really like this ring over here. Now, if I want to find this ring on Zopi, all I have to do is take the product image. So I'll just open up the product image, and I'm just going to take this one over here. You can even find the product images in the description. So I'll just click on view description, and I will save this image. Once I have saved this image, I can go ahead and go into Zopi and search with a image. So I can copy and paste a URL, or I can just do a image search like this. And once I open up the image, you guys will see the product result. So it will show me different listings for similar rings. You guys can see that this is a silver crystal ring, and it is only available for 0.74 USD. And this has a delivery time of 19 to 25 days. And then we have these, delicate rings that have a estimated profit of $4 with a lower shipping time. And in this way, you can find similar products to the ones that you want. Plus, with this, you can easily dropship with Temu as well if you want to expand your horizons a bit, because, AliExpress is something that is becoming a bit redundant, and Temu usually has the unique styles that people are looking for. AliExpress still does have them if you are able to search for those. And if you're looking for a very particular item, You don't want to look like you want the exact item. Just go onto Aliexpress, copy, and then paste the Aliexpress URL, and you will have the exact product be displayed to you. Whether or not it's available for dropshipping, this might vary on suppliers as well. But you guys can see to the United States, it's only going to take 3 to 19 days, which is a really good price. Plus, you guys can see the total price of the product, the shipping style that they are going to use. Different shipping styles or different shipping couriers are going to cost different amounts. Plus, it will also vary on the delivery times. You can select the country that you are most focused on delivering to as the to country to get a better estimate. Plus, you have all of these variations in this ring as well. Now, I'm going to click on add to import list, and once this has been added in my import list on Zobi, I can click on the left and I can go into my product center. Now, once I have my product, I can see the cost trend and other information. So I'll click on edit product to edit this product. And first off, I'm going to edit the description. So I want to remove this image, and I'll just click on cut. And then below that, there's also, all of these other images inserted into the description, which I don't want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the size chart, but other than that, I'm just going to cut out everything else in the description, because usually that's like a telltale sign that something is a dropshipped product. So we're just going to cut out all of this excessive description like this and just leave a size chart, and you can place a basic descriptor. You have some SEO content as well as the basic title of your product. Now, the title is very important, so rephrase the title into something a bit more chic. So let's say Chic Sparkle. That's the name of our ring. Sparkle, it's not sparkle, sparkle. And below that, we have different images. Now, I don't want to provide all of the variants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these, and then I can select all the variants I do want to provide. So let's say I want to provide this ring in a size 6, this one. And then after that, I'm going to select the same ones in a size 7 or a 10, all the sizes that you are looking to provide. So you can add those. And then on the top, you are going to obviously change the variant images as well. So you can go on ahead and only select the variants that you are going to be providing. So let's say it's going to be this one that I'm providing, this one, and then this one that I'm providing. And I can go on ahead and proceed with these images only. But once you have completed this, you can go to the bottom, and once you have, set up the variants and set up the selling price as well. Now, you can also edit the selling price. So let's say I want to sell all of these for $15. So I can set this as my selling price for the rings that I'm selling. You can even price certain variants higher than the others. I want to edit the selling price to $20 like this, and I'll click on save, and then $20 will be added to the initial price. And once we've done that, we are going to click on push to store on the top right, and then I want to continue selling when out of stock, because I know these types of products are restocked. And just like that, you can get started with dropshipping using Aliexpress and Zobi. And you can do this all on your Shopify store. You don't have to create a special store for this, and you don't have to, import any code or anything like that. If I go into my orders and products, we can see that our new ring has been added to our Shopify store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.